Hello dear friends, you are on my channel Harry Speaks. Harry is my name. Hello, my name is Harry. I am an English teacher. My approach to English is simple. I treat my students with respect. Show them my support during studying. Today we will learn the names of colors. Of course, there are a lot of different colors in the world, but today we will learn only 7 of them. We will learn the colors of the rainbow. These are the most common colors and their names definitely come in handy. In this video, we will learn colors slowly. We repeat each word several times. At the end of the video, there will be a lot of practice and activities for you. So, watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything.
Today my dear assistant will help me to teach the lesson. Red. Red color. This is red color. Red. Orange. Orange color. This is orange color. Orange. Yellow. Yellow color. This is yellow color. Yellow. Green. Green color. This is green color. Green. Cyan. Cyan color. This is cyan color. Cyan. Blue. Blue color. This is blue color. Blue. Violet. Violet color. This is violet color. Violet. Now let's play. I will show you objects and you name what color they are. What is this color? Yellow. What is this color? Blue. What is this color? Orange. What is this color? Yellow. What is this color? Red. What is this color? Green. What is this color? Yellow. What is this color? Violet. What is this color? Cyan. What is this color? Violet. What is this color? Yellow. What is this color? Blue. What is this color? Red. What is this color? Green.
Dear friends, I hope this lesson was interesting for you. You can support me with your likes and comments. This is your best thanks for my lessons. Once again, I remind you that language learning does not happen fast. You don't need to beat yourself up if you can remember only slowly. This does not mean that you are incapable in learning. Be patient and kind to yourself. Only then you can succeed.